5-bay 3.5-inch SATA SAS optical drive with built-in hard disk extraction. Box 5. 3.5-inch hard disks can be installed all metal body, strong and durable. Good heat at dissipation rear. 80mm cooling fan. 4P power supply interface. To connect the chassis power supply SATA 15P power supply interface.